Nangita ba mo og farm lot nga sure ang titulo? Dari na mo sa Mountain Pines Farm, Dahilayan Bukidnon of A. Brown Company Incorporated. Hi guys! I'm back. This is Reb Green, your real estate partner. Nangita ba ka og farm lot with complete amenities, with clubhouse, swimming pool, complete drainage with gravel road? Danhin na ta sa Mountain Pines Farm here at Dahilayan Bukidnon by A. Brown Company Incorporated. So here we are in Mountain Pines Farm in Dahilayan Bukidnon. As you can see, it's very fresh, very relaxing, very near to Dahilayan Forest Park, Dahilayan Adventure Park. And it's around 1 hour in Cagayan de Oro. So what are you waiting for? Get a farm lot here in Mountain Pines Farm for only 100,000 reservation fee, 2 valid IDs, and no other requirements since dili na mo mag-apply for property loan ani since installment basis ang iyahang pagbayad. So when's the best time to invest? It's now. Bye!